Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Philips ultra-thin laptop stand. I was actually kind of in shock when I was looking on Amazon for a stand for whatever laptop I potentially end up choosing from the group I'm reviewing right now, if you've been following that. And I didn't expect Philips to be in the mix. I mean, it's actually kind of sad. So this was a little under 30 bucks. I'll include a link in the description. Supports up to 15-inch models. I think the weight is somewhere at like 3 pounds. So my laptop is going to be heavier than that. And it says 3 pounds, but I have a feeling it'll still be able to make it with 4.5. But let's take a look at this thing. You know, it just looked like from a design standpoint, it was relevant and made correctly in terms of creating airflow, still giving you a good angle to type on. The question is, you know, will it be able to really hold more than 3 pounds? Now, oh, wait a minute, what am I talking about? See that? And this happens sometimes. The capacity is 22 pounds. The weight of the actual device, they're saying, is 3 pounds. So do not exceed the weight limit of 22 pounds. Boy, I'm glad that I misread that, right? So pretty straightforward from what I understand is that we're just going to basically do that. That's it. And this isn't for everyone. If you want more of like a waterfall design, I get it. I've got the Gigabyte Aero 15 right here. Let's go ahead and just see what that looks like on this. Seems to fit it well. This is a 15.6-inch laptop, for those of you that are wondering. I'm just going to open this up and see. Yeah, looks good. I mean, I know you're not getting the full picture, but still, looks good. Ventilation is not going to be an issue. And I think the thing, I'm getting comments as I open this up there, someone just got a little time, you can't even see it on screen, but I think the thing I like most about this is its profile. I wanted a stand that was going to give me a comfortable way to type, low profile, not eat up a lot of desk space, and be solid and good looking. And I think that Philips, again, it's so odd to be saying this, but I think Philips has done it here with this stand. The position range is fairly limited. I mean, you're going to want to use it predominantly in this position, which is how I was just now. You can play with it. The rubber feet will permit, but I think it's ideal to keep it in that one fixed position. But we'll see how it goes. I mean, there are so many out there, a sea of them, and if, like me, you jump on to Amazon and just start looking at them, you can get lost. There are pages and pages of crap out there like this. Did I buy into the Philips name? No, I saw the other Chinese version that looked exactly like this, but it wasn't exactly like it. So that's why I went with Philips. So I guess brand recognition still works to some degree, right? At any rate, there it is, again, the Philips 15-inch, up to 15-inch, ultra-thin laptop stand, a little under 30 bucks on Amazon. Hopefully it works out. If not, you'll be seeing me covering another one because I need something that's going to get the job done and that is not hideous. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.